welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are back at
Red Bull. I love it. The historic Red Bull, Super Red Bull. I love it.
What happened to your pants? Is what I'll say.
Yes, and you go, all in a day's work.
That's the entire scene, right?
That's the scene, all right? All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Quiet on set. Roll camera. 3, 2, 1, action.
Why, Super Red Bull, what happened to your pants?
Cut! Beautiful! But I just noticed I have more cameras. Cameras, we need to all be on the same page, alright? So when I say quiet on set, you must also say quiet on
I was just doing saying good morning. All of a sudden this just happened.
You too! You too! You're filming this!
Yes, I am filming this.
Alright, when I say quiet on set, you say quiet on set.
Of course,
I
of
say
course,
roll
of course.
camera. You all say roll camera, alright?
Sounds good to me.
3, 2, 1, action! Stone will say the line, it'll be great. Alright, let's try that now. Ready? Quiet on set!
Quiet on set!
Roll camera!
Roll camera!
3, 2, 1, action!
Why, Super Red Bull, what happened to your pants?
Cut! Okay, I like it, but I don't love it.
I don't either. There's
Here's
so
the-
many traffic cones blocking
There's
through
too
my
many
scene.
traffic cones. We need a little security here, alright?
Has anyone worked? You look like you worked in scene.
Okay, guys,
get him in there.
we're back
Right over here.
at Hollywood Studios to do some
Now, every
updates,
time
construction,
he
and everything.
says,
But
security,
I'll be sorry. Honestly, don't know what's happening. I just started to help out, and now I'm
Exactly.
Very good.
security now. That's gonna be interesting.
We're gonna rehearse that right now. This is a rehearsal,
Here we go.
alright? Here we go. Background.
Point, 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 point.
See the
point.
superhero. Cheer.
Perfect.
Cut. Beautiful. That's what you're doing, alright? Get back to one. Get back. Alright. Very good. Are we ready? Yeah. Background. No, wait. Hold on. Security.
Lock it down.
Very good. Thank you. Background. 3, 2, 1, action.
Oh, Super Red Bull lady, what happened to your pants?
Cut! Beautiful, beautiful. With all these people on stage, we're gonna need to make sure everyone looks great.
Yes.
I need a makeup artist.
I need makeup. Has anyone
Perfect. I see him right here. Come on, makeup.
Perfection.
I see makeup. I can see a makeup. Our makeup. I need you to run in here and just make sure they look good. So just walk up, look at them, and go, "You look fabulous!" And then run up. Right now. Ready? Makeup.
You look fabulous.
Swing the arm.
Swing those arms. I can see it.
You look fabulous.
Perfect. And then get off stage as quickly as you can, alright? Good. Alright, makeup, very good. Alright, alright, alright. Are we ready?
Yes.
Security.
Lock it down.
Union, are we good? Makeup! Get up. Alright, quiet on set! Quiet on set!
Quiet on set.
This is a movie set, everyone. When I say quiet on set, you all have to say quiet on set. When I say roll camera, you have to say roll camera. Let's try.
Whatever you say, quiet on set.
Quiet on set.
Roll camera.
Roll camera.
Very good. All right. 3, 2, 1, action.
Oh, Super Red Bull lady man, what happened to your pants?
You all right now. I'm gonna pay you with something more than money.
Oh,
Experience. You can put the Hollywood Studios film crew on your resume.
that's right. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, thank you. Once and let's stone right into the citizens of Hollywood. Thank you, Union Rep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now go forth, go famous, go.
Well, that was an interesting experience. Really fun, very new and everything. And apparently, this man just gave me a car to. I'm gonna check this out a bit later. I'm not gonna show you the car because I don't know this. I don't want to sponsor this. So just for safety reasons, I'm not gonna show the car. But here's the car. A man just came up to me and gave me it for all apparent reason. I don't know why. But today we are here at Hollywood Studios to check out the construction update here. Also, we just got some brand new news about Toy Story Land, which once I'm gonna go over there, I will definitely tell you guys. But it's a quarter to 11, so let's go on some rides before it gets too long, okay? So let's see what's the wait times in Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror. I'll see you guys over there. So apparently, Tower of Terror queue line extends all the way outside, which is above 90 minutes. Oh, it just shot up even more now. Now it's 105-minute wait. Oh boy. I will try to go on this ride a bit later today when it does go low. But there is one ride that does have single riders, which I'm gonna go on right now, which is Rock and Roller Coaster by Aaron Smith. I'll catch you guys inside.
Wow, alright.
People, I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car.
Wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes? Yeah, come on. Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay.
Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. The ride never gets old and it's always amazing to go on. Now we're just gonna walk around a little bit. Let me see if I can do any. Let me see around for construction updates. But before that, let's first check out Tower of Terror. If the line did get short, if it did, I might go on it. I've been trying to look for fast passes for that attraction for so long and I couldn't find any. So fingers crossed, the line is short for Tower of Terror. I'll see you guys over there. The wait for the ride is 80 minutes and there's no fast pass. Got the way now. I'll see you guys inside the attraction, okay?
dimension of sound, a dimension of sight, a dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. The beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. But the time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Holy smokes, we haven't even started yet. We haven't even started yet.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the dimension.
solitaire, the most amazing ride here. I know I said Rock and Roller Coaster a few moments ago was the best, but honestly, I cannot compare both of them because they both have their unique style to it, and I personally love it. So right now, we're actually gonna walk over to Toy Story Mania and check out the construction updates over there, as well as check out the construction updates for Star Wars Land. I heard some new things that are happening both in Star Wars and in Toy Story Land. So let's go over there and check out what could we see in the construction. Since the last time we were here, they have added so many more cranes, as well as put a new tower on the far distance. And here at the very end, it will be the main entrance to Star Wars Galaxy Edge. And as well, not just that, they also are selling some merchandise of Galaxy Edge right here. Let's check out what kind of merchandise we're gonna see right here. DJ Rex hat, very nice. A lanyard and a pin starter of Galaxy Edge coming out 2019. Woman's Galaxy Edge shirt, $32.90. A men's, $34.99. The classic lightsaber, traditional Star Wars Rebels, BB-8, some Mickey ears. As well as some other pins as well you could get from Galaxy Edge. And that's right now is all the merchandise they're selling currently at this spot right here for Galaxy Edge. But I think there's some more over at the front of the park, which we will see a bit later today. Like I said earlier, this is gonna be the main entrance of Galaxy Edge. I honestly cannot wait to see this in person. Can be already 2019? No, strike that. Can be summer of 2018. Yes, that is correct. Summer 2018 will be, well, once we get to the location, then I'll tell you what's happening in summer of 2018. So as of right now, that's pretty much all we can see right here. Oh, before I forget, I'm gonna insert some clips right now that there were some constructions while I was coming inside the parking lot. As you can see on these clips right here, they were really advanced and everything. Some things you can't see because they are, of course, they're blocked up from the guests, so they don't take away the magic of it. But at the end, I cannot wait to see this. I'm also gonna see if I can see some new angles at different locations around here. But before that, it's time to go on another ride. I made a fast pass for Star Tours, and we're gonna go on that right now. I'll catch you guys right after the attraction. The last time we were here, you remember this was one huge building. As of right now, they completely changed it to Walt Disney Presents. The same concept, we're still here. You could watch a small sneak peek of a wink in time. You can watch it meet Star-Lord and Groot, as well come seeing the new upcoming things in Hollywood studios. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you. But the biggest news is right here behind me. Yes, this summer 2018, Toy Story Land will be open to the public. I cannot wait. And also, as you can see right here, the wall actually got pushed back. Actually, I was really intrigued by that. And people were saying you could actually see the coaster. Let me back up a little bit if I can find it. Right there. This post right here is part of the roller coaster. And inside the trees, it's kind of hard to see, but you could actually see Rex right there. That is Rex from Toy Story actually posing on the roller coaster. I'm honestly cannot wait for this summer of 2018 because of Toy Story Land. I think they said June 30th, if I'm not mistaken. June 30th, it will be the inauguration of Toy Story Land. And you know for a fact, I'm gonna be here either on that opening day, hopefully I could be there opening day or the opening week. So I can post it film, post it for you guys, and let you experience it, and you guys think about it, what you could do here in Hollywood Studios. This whole line right here, Toy Story Mania starts right there, but this whole section right here is actually for the Fast Pass line for Toy Story Mania. It goes out and it loops around inside here in this queue, then you go in. Oh man, I'm actually kind of scared to see what is the wait time of this attraction. I did not realize normally the entrance of Toy Story Mania will be through here. However, it looks like they completely closed this area off. They closed this area off and the line continues down actually all the way over here. And the wait is currently 180 minutes. Holy smokes. Wow. The line continues down all the way towards the end over there. It looks like the new entrance will be down there now instead of the typically entrance right here. So apparently, I talked to a cast member recently and she just told me this was implemented not too long ago now. Actually implemented like a month ago. Just to have a new to be organized instead of closing down the attraction, because the main entrance of Toy Story Mania will be on the opposite side of the building. They still want to keep it running and close off just the main entrance. That's why right here this is gonna be the new main entrance as of right now until the summer of June 30th for Toy Story Mania, which I am shook. Oh, okay. That's actually correction. The line continues down here, laps over on this side, loops down, back and forth, and then you loop back here for the line of Toy Story Mania. Holy smokes! That is scary right there. So I came towards the end of Pixar area to see what could we see for the new Star Wars Galaxy Edge. And right now they just pretty much put trees throughout the whole area right here to block off, and also, I don't know if you can see, there's like a black or green barrier down here preventing people to see what is inside. Disney is really being strict on what they could show and not show. And because of Galaxy Edge, a lot of hype is into it, a lot of motivation, a lot of new experiences are coming. They really want to keep this park closed off and secret to the guests. And as time progresses, more and more news will be released to the public. Most likely, they're going to release new information of Galaxy Edge and the D23 Expo that's happening next year? D23 next year, maybe? Because I know last year was D23 in Anaheim. This year is D23 was in Japan. That means the next year, 2019, is going to be D23 in Anaheim. So it might be like an iffy of when are we going to get new information. Or they're going to just spit it out and just tell us some selective days as well. We don't know yet. And now I'm just going to walk around a little bit and see what else we can do here in the park for today. So inside Walt Disney Presents, right here, a cast member just informed me that this is an actual Oscar, or real life Oscar. That is really stunning. If you want to come over and take a picture with a real Oscar award, you could come before March 4th. That is going to be here until March 4th. You can take a picture with an actual Oscar. That's truly amazing. For proof that it's a real Oscar, says right there, Academy Most Picture Arts and Science. It's such a pure beauty. Like I said a few moments ago, the entrance of Toy Story Mania will be right there in this box right here. And the original entrance was right here, and we're currently in this area, Walt Disney Presents. Once you go in, you gotta enter Toy Story Land.
There's only Woody's lunchbox too.
And this is all you're gonna see in Toy Story Land this summer. The Slinking Dog coaster.
Oh, everyone did. We all did.
Little Green Men Flying Martian. That's another attraction. So like I said, the summer of 2018, June 30th, that is when people could come in and experience all of this. And here are some models of the attraction of the Slinking Dog coaster.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just 5 minutes we'll be opening the doors of our theater for the 10-minute presentation.
How a Slinking coaster looks like.
If you're interested in this movie, please come to the theater lobby. Thank you.
I honestly cannot wait to see and experience this amazing plan for this summer. I cannot wait for it.
There are stories about what happened.
It's true. All of it. The dark side. The Jedi. They're real.
I need someone to show me my place in all this. It's calling to you.
May the Force be with you.
better believe ours are on you. It will not be easy to crush the resistance, but it will be satisfying. If you pass information to the resistance, you'll be considered a traitor and a target. Over here. At attention. We'll see you again. Advance.
And with that, that's how we're going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification to be notified when I upload new videos. If you want to follow me on my Instagram and see some clips as well as some pictures that I'm going to post, please follow me on my Instagram. The link will be on the very top of the description below. Thank you so much. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up for more Disney and Universal Adventures. I'll catch you guys next time.